Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stop spam messages on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to stop spam on Telegram, all you can do is simply open Telegram. After this, you need to go and tap open the three dots on the left hand side of the menu and tap on settings. Now simply scroll and go to privacy and security. There you can simply limit who can add you to any groups. You can simply find this option right over here, and you can simply tap on it, and you can simply set your availability to simply your contacts or nobody. And in your who can call you option, you can simply set it to my contacts or nobody as well, and consider removing your username, phone number, visibility to prevent strangers from finding you. Then you can use the report spam button and block unwanted users as they appear. So this way you can simply stop spam message on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.